Sir, I have one
Yes,
doubt, sir.
yes, go ahead.
Sir, you had mentioned that the sample based should be equal to the model based. That means it should be close to zero. Why not choose a covariance which is having a low value, sir? Won't it drop from 118, say 6? I mean,
Won't it?
drop now you're seeing 36.399. Initial chi-square value was 118, sir. So
Yes,
E6 to E7 it is 36. So now
yes.
the next values, if you see somewhere here, E4 to sorry,
E5.
E8, yeah, E5 to E7, it is not, yeah, E5 to E7, if we take, it is coming down to 5.719. So
Yeah.
is that
It
not
is
preferred?
not coming down to, it is coming down by. I think
Okay,
that is where you are getting confused.
okay,
Okay.
sir.
The difference. So, what this modification index is telling is that if you add this path from 118, subtract 36,
Approximately 82.
82. If
Yes.
you add E5 to E7, 118 will become 113.
Okay, sir.
So, which is the path that gives you a bigger drop?
Yes, E6 to E7. Yes,
E6 to E7. So, you look at the largest drop in chi-square. It is not
yes.
drop to, it is drop by.
Okay, sir.
Yeah?
Yes, thank you, sir.
Yes. Yes.
So as you have suggested that we can co-vary the error terms of a single construct, right? But we
Hmm.
cannot co-vary the error terms of another one construct to another construct.
Another construct. Yes.
But sir, I have seen in a research paper of a category journal that they are relating the error terms of two constructs. So is what is your call on it? Is it
Well,
valid?
my call is what I told you. I
Okay,
I would recommend that you should not co-vary items belonging to different constructs.
yes, sir. Got it, sir. Thank
Yeah?
you so much. Yes.
Yes. Yes. So I see four hands raised. Kishore?
Yes, sir. I had a small question. Means when you have to, when it says that, it is 36.399, means does it mean that the items are similar, hence you have to co-vary?
Items are
Similar.
not items are
Questions, the
similar.
questions.
No, no, not the questions. Yes, the questions would be similar, but here we are talking about the errors associated with the items.
Okay, okay,
Okay, so the measurement error associated with the items, they co-vary with each other. Yeah?
okay.
Yes. Shilpi?
Sir, like let's say if we are taking this modification index and the normal way we are predicting the model and the CFI value is not much increasing. I mean, the purpose for us to use the modification index is to increase the goodness of fit measures and all.
Yeah.
So in that case, sir, what you suggest? Do we go with, let's say, CFI is 0.9 with the normal, and if we are using a modification index and we are just covering any two errors and it's going to let's say 0.91 or 0.92 maximum. So in that case, do we go for modification index or is it
No, so first of all, you see, we do modification index because we want to reduce the chi-square, not so much the CFI. If the chi-square is dropping, CFI will surely improve.
right, sir?
Okay, so
Yeah.
the idea is you should go by the judgment on chi-square, not so much on the CFI part.
Okay. So even in that case, like if CFI value is near to around some like it's not having that much of
Then you don't do it because after a point in time, that means you are not getting much uh,
differences.
much difference. So you should remember that parsimony is something that we should always keep in mind.
Okay.
You should make your diagrams as clean as possible. Okay, don't add too many. So here, for example, E6 to E7.